We are fashionistas, but also eco-friendly fashionistas.
Period. Hey y'all, welcome back to Conscious Consumer. Okay, we have a bit of an uncomfortable and scary episode today, you know?
Right now we're going through 3 pandemics, COVID-19, racial injustice, and then also climate change. And then the CDC had the nerve to start trending for a zombie preparedness kit.
Girl.
What the heck is going on? What do you think?
Actually, I did do some research on Yahoo.
Okay.
And I looked up what are the causes of the zombie apocalypse. And the first definition appears to say that the zombie apocalypse is a spread that happens by ingesting undercooked meat containing specific parasites. And that's contaminated water, soil, or vegetables, and a transmission from mother to infant via pregnancy. Now, some of those effects after the infection include subtle behavior or personality changes and a number of neurological disorders.
Wow. And in previous episodes, we talked about the non-biodegradable materials that are in the environment, man-made chemicals, and even greenhouse gases that are really affecting all life forms, including humans. So if we are contaminating water and soil, those are the 2 essential things to life. So one way that this can happen is through neurotoxins. Neurotoxins' literal definition is nerve poisoning. Another neurotoxin is called alkaloids. Alkaloids were actually used by VooDoo doctors in Haiti to get their sugar plantations to work with little resistance. Alkaloids, it takes their victims and puts them into a trance-like state.
Sometimes the things that you are inhaling, because it's so poisonous, can actually lead to your brain shrinking. And that can lead to neurological disorders. It can lead to behavior and personality changes that are very similar, like schizophrenia.
So you're saying that if we breathe, if we eat, and if we drink, then we're exposed to this.
You know, I actually read an article from Zora Neil Hurston, and I know, so actually in 1936, when she went down there, she encountered zombies. Now, while Hurston was learning more about voodoo, she said that there was a zombie presence that seeped over the country like ground current of cold air. Now, she encountered a woman named Felicia Felix Mentor, and reportedly, she was dead in 1907. It was heard that she was seen walking around the island many years afterwards. Exactly. We need to start getting prepared.
And the CDC put out a list of essential items that will allow for us to stay locked in the house if necessary for at least 7 days.
You don't gotta get ready in a real way.
Did that was so beneficial. I feel like I'm prepared for anything. Now, what's really great about all these products is that you can literally find them anywhere, or at least at a very easy access.
Yes, and we're going to continue serving the facts and getting you the information that is going to help you to be a conscious consumer and live your lives to the fullest.
Yes. Always remember to be what?
A conscious consumer.
See y'all later.